NEAR might increase 2.3% by tomorrow, according to CoinLore's analysis. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the current price conditions. NEAR has seen a 2.4% bump over the last day and is now trading near $1.895. Let's run through today's expert calls. Based on CoinLore's outlook, the asset could go up to $1.94 by tomorrow, an increase of about 2.3%. NEAR could trend upward to $1.935, according to 30 rates, about 2% above now. Gov Capital highlights the outlook for reaching $1.916, a potential gain of 1.1%. A separate analysis by Coin Price Forecast suggests NEAR could climb to $1.91, roughly 0.7% up. And in closing, Coin Data Flow suggests the price may dip to $1.84 by tomorrow, 3% below now. This is the most profitable return estimate. We've gone through 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's see what comes next. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a drop of 3% and a rise of 2.3%, depending on the analyst. Considering all forecasts, Coin Data Flow is at the top with 3% gain in value by August 28. This means you could collect between $7 and $30 for every $1,000 you invest. Taking volatility trends into account, Coin Price Forecast ranks first, with a 95.2% chance of success. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. The combined forecasts position NEAR close to $1.908, showing stability. Here's what it looks like up close. The consensus read points to price up by 0.6%. That shift indicates your capital could also experience a 0.6% rise. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $6 in return. So the chance of the consensus forecast on NEAR playing out stands close to 95.5%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. CoinLore highlights that NEAR is on an upward path. 30 rates sees NEAR trending lower. A decline is meanwhile anticipated by Gov Capital, with bearish pressure in play. Coin Price Forecast projects the price advancing over the 3 days. Coin Data Flow signals weakness, pointing to a fall. The consensus points to NEAR trading below current levels during this horizon. Summing up, 60% of analyst views suggest NEAR may drop during this horizon. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. At the end of the day, the market recorded $1.902. As it turned out, only 2 of 5 were right about the direction. Most precise forecast was delivered by 30 rates. Time to check the outcome in detail. Out of all forecasts, only 1 fell within the candle. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with 30 rates leading the positive group at 1.9%. Here's the daily summary. How every forecast actually worked out. In comparison, Gov Capital was assigned a forecast probability of 93.8%, $0.011 in accuracy, and 1.5% ROI. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast base returns vary between NEAR and several others. In tomorrow's ranking, NEAR stands at 3rd, with Uniswap leading the pack at 1.4%. This section includes just 5 cryptocurrencies, and additional forecasts across many assets are already available on my website. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next forecast. Catch you in the next review.